We're going to bring part of this bench area down to close to the final grade. We'll be able to get our little dump truck back in here and have the excavator up on the bench and load the dump truck a little easier, and gives the truck a little more area to back around and dump over the bank. We'll also use the loader, and this gives it a little more level area for the loader to run in. It's just a little safer. There's still quite a bit of material in this lower area to move. Hope to get it done this summer, if not through the fall. And we'll have to do what we have to do, but it needs to be done. Still quite a bit of material in that knob area over there, just over to the right of the excavator, and that's going to be a lot of material to move, and there's quite a bit of rock underneath. It's got to be pulled out. Trying to split time with the excavator between the lower area and the high area. The high area is just as important to get finished up as the lower area is. Here in just a few short weeks, we're going to be loading this excavator up and take it up to the cabin site, where we can put a septic system in up there and do some final grading around the house. I'm going to try to save as many of these rectangular, flat type boulders that we encounter, the ones we can handle anyway, and use them to line the driveways and the berm areas, that kind of stuff, to kind of hold things in place. And doggone supervisor's standing over there wanting me to finish up so he can go home and eat. Sometimes those supervisors just don't understand there's work to be done. You got to remember the motto of this site is get off your ass and do something. We do a lot of projects like this, so please consider subscribing to this channel and hit that like button. It helps us out a lot.